In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Visa gift card not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about why your Visa gift card might not be working and the best course of action to fix any issues attributed to it. So as you can see on screen, I am visiting the visa.com website where we can find official Visa gift cards that we can purchase on various websites. So they have the vanilla gift card shop, gift card mall, giftcards.com, etc. These are some examples of gift cards attributed to the Visa branding. Now, if you scroll all the way down on this page, you will have this option, learn how to check balance. This is only important if you want to follow along because in here they have a selection of Visa gift card issuers and you can go to a specific website to solve any issues attributed to your card. Now, like I said, you don't have to necessarily go to this website. All that you have to do is get your Visa gift card, turn it around, and check for any possible links or URLs at the back of the card or even the front. If you notice that there is a website, what you have to do is open up a web browser on your computer or your phone and visit the respective website on your gift card. Because this is different for every single gift card issued, I cannot tell you the exact website that you need to go to. Just turn the card around and check for a website. Once you visit the website, you should see an interface similar to this, where you have the option to activate the card or check the transactions and balance. So as you can see for the vanilla gift card, you will be able to check the balance, review transactions, and like I said, activate the gift card. A lot of times you either don't have balance or you didn't activate the gift card, so this is why it's not usable. So by visiting the respective website on your card, you will be able to include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have all of this information, just click continue and you will be able to activate and manage the card. Now, I cannot show you this process on screen. Unfortunately, I do not have a gift card at the moment, but this is all you have to do. The other option that you have is to call the number on the back. This will allow you to contact the agents of the place that issued your gift card and they will be able to answer any questions that you have or help you fix issues attributed to using the gift card. It is extremely important that you do this process with the website or number at the back of your respective card. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Visa gift card not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.